A 9-kilogram halfback moving at 4.1 meters per second on an apparent breakaway for a touchdown is tackled from behind. When he was tackled by an 85 kilogram cornerback running at 5.5 meters per second in the same direction, what was their mutual speed immediately after the tackle? Okay, so let's draw a picture first. So I have some guy running this way and another guy coming up behind him, running this way with a bigger speed, right? And this is my before, and this is my after. So I like both of them together. That's my after. Okay. So I'm given that there's the mass of the first football player is equal to 95 kilograms, and the mass of the second football player is 85 kilograms. The speed of the first is 4.1 meters per second, and the speed of the second is 5.5 meters per second. And what I'm trying to find is their final speed right after the tackle. Okay, so my model here is a momentum model. So I'm going to say P initial, momentum initial is equal to P final. And then I'm going to plug in my equations for initial and my equation for momentum. And so I've got two terms for momentum. I have the momentum of both of these guys, right? So their mass times their velocity. And then here I have the momentum, just one term I'll have because the momentum, the mass is their mass together and their velocity together. Okay, so I'm going to have M1 V1 initial plus M2 V initial 2 is equal to mass 1 plus mass 2 times V final. I need to keep both of the terms because they're both running. And so I'm going to divide both sides by M1 plus M2. This cancels, and so I can solve for V final. And I can just plug in my values. So M1 is 95 kilograms. Velocity 1 is 4.1 meters per second, plus 85 kilograms times 5.5 meters per second, all over 95 kilograms plus 85 kilograms. And when I plug that all into my calculator, I get 4.8 meters per second. So that's how fast, right after the tackle, they're going when we consider them both traveling together.